Hello, my name is Dave and you're very welcome to Create School's Introduction to BrickFlix course. Now in this course, I'm going to show you how to make a Lego character come to life by getting it to walk across the screen. Now, whether you've done stop motion before or you're brand new to it, this course is designed to help you build and improve your skills. But maybe the first question you might have is, what is BrickFlix? Well, BrickFlix combines the techniques of stop motion animation with the world of Lego. And the reason why this is so good is because Lego is the perfect size for stop motion animation. It's small, it's versatile, and there's a lot of choice there as well. But even better, the Lego minifigure comes ready to animate straight out of the box. It has moving arms and legs and a head, everything you need to make your character come to life. Now the walk cycle is one of the first things any animator learns to do, and the reason they do this is because everything else you do in stop motion animation from that point on is based around the same rough principles of the walk cycle. It also teaches you about patience, which is another fundamental thing when it comes to stop motion animation. Now in this course, we're going to look at what stop motion is. We're going to look a little bit at the equipment you're going to need, and then at the app that we're going to use. Then we'll look at the techniques involved in this. Especially we'll look at the 3-step and the 4-step walk cycle, and then the run cycle as well. But before we get into all that, let's take a look at what stop motion actually is.
Well, stop motion is the art of bringing objects to life, essentially animating an inanimate object, moving objects that ordinarily wouldn't move by themselves. We do this by taking photographs and moving that object a little between each photo, then playing those images back at a certain speed to give the illusion of movement. Now, we love Lego, but you can use anything: post-it notes, toys, or even food. The most important ingredient is your imagination.
So that's what stop motion is. Now let's take a look at the online Lego stop motion community, where you could find some valuable resources.